Oh God, that is so cool.
बम गोला बारूद सब कुछ स्कैन करे.
Skoda has put a little map here as well. They hammer the car. They really like gad. क्यों selector यहाँ पे? नजर हटी, दुर्घटना घटी. There's going to be no pushing another brand down. Hi guys and welcome back to Bike with Girl. आज मैं हूँ हॉर्नमन सर्कल में ड्राइविंग द ब्रांड न्यू स्कोडा कोडियाक, जिसको मैं आजकल स्कोडियाक बुला रही हूँ. नाउ बहुत सारे लोगों के बहुत सारे सवाल हैं अबाउट दिस कार. स्टफ लाइक हाउ इज इट टू ड्राइव, ऑफ कोर्स इसकी माइलेज क्या है, डीसीसी क्यों नहीं दिया, और वो थर्ड रो एक्चुअल लोगों को बिठा सकेगा या नहीं, क्योंकि टिगवान में सिर्फ 2 रोज हैं और इट्स अ 5 सीटर, बट दिस इज अ 7 सीटर. So I'm gonna get into all of this really quickly. मैं ये गाड़ी चला रही हूँ bang in the middle of traffic because that's what our lives are about nowadays in most metros, right? So I want to do the real thing and not take it on like a long drive or anything. ये गाड़ी अपने आप पार्क करता है.
100 मीटर तक स्कैन करे, हर चीज से स्कैन करे.
Okay.
जैसे कि बम गोला बारूद सब कुछ स्कैन करे.
क्या बात कही आपने, बम गोला बारूद, वाह. Detecting parking spaces. Wow, okay, this is about to start parking by itself. Let's see how it's doing it. I'm actually scared. Wow. That's pretty brilliant. Because there is no other parking, guys. So it has detected a double parking. I am so scared that my foot is like on the... Oh God, that is so cool. And this is brilliant for vehicle is not parked. This is brilliant for me, for parkers like myself who hate to parallel park. I hate to parallel park. I have learned it, but I have unlearned it also many times, and this has done a brilliant job of parking for me today. This is so good. It's a quick car. It's really quick. I didn't even realize मैं जब अटल सेतु पे चढ़ रही थी already was an 80. You don't realize it. It's a quick car. I think it may be a little quicker than the XUV 700. It's been a while I drove that car, but yeah, definitely feeling it. Very fun to drive. I saw some huge, big speeds on the Speedo today. Best part about this is that it goes through Mumbai ki galiyan like makhan. You've got major grille goodness going on here with this beautiful LED strip placed horizontally between all these vertical slats. Lots of work has gone into this. Love the physical buttons on this, and then the center dial actually does a whole lot of things. Look, AC fan speed, volume, modes, and then zooming into maps and out of maps also. This super clever door protection, which is very quick. Huh? Look at that. Look at how quick. Look at how quick. The mandate, Skoda umbrella. We are in cruise control on the Atal Setu. Very comfortable, nice drive. The reason I'm driving it on the Atal Setu right now is because I just want to have a stretch of road to be able to like gun and also talk about the other elements which I have noticed on the road. So, for instance, now suspension. Most of the cars that I drive, these rumble strips, especially on the Atal Setu, starting ones and the closing ones, are very, they hammer the car. They really like gad. This is handling it damn well. This goes over speed bumps, these rumble strips, the khaddas in our city, the very poor roads in our city very well. You don't feel it jab at you. That's the great thing with the suspension on this. Very comfortable car. This is mostly when I spoke to Skoda, this is mostly a chauffeur-driven car. So for people in the rear also, if I'm driving it, I'm finding it so comfortable. I'm sure the people at the back will also find it very, very comfortable to drive this thing. Brilliant. तो इसकी mileage की बात करें तो the figures that Skoda has given me are honestly blowing my mind. We've not had so much time to go do mileage tests with this car, but they are claiming 14.86, which is better than the XUV 700. So a lot of people have asked me why have they not included the dynamic chassis control on the 2025 Kodiaq, क्योंकि earlier वाले पे था. Many reasons I spoke to Skoda about it. The main reason is that they said that from the earlier sales of the Kodiaq, they realized that most people that buy this car, उनके chauffeur ये car drive करते हैं, not them so much, and the dynamic chassis control was really not something they needed. So what they've done with this car is they have set up the suspension towards comfort, because it is a luxury car at the end of the day, under 50L, and they feel like they didn't need to add the dynamic chassis control because A, it would just up the price unnecessarily, and fewer people would therefore then experience the car by buying it. And that's why they've just given a very default setup which is more targeted towards a comfortable experience while riding in the Kodiaq. I hope वो आंसर अच्छा था आपके लिए. कमेंट्स में बता दो आपको क्या लगता है, वरना आपकी भी theory होगी, I'm sure. Honestly, only one thing that I didn't really enjoy, and I'm going to tell you that in the conclusion of the video, so stick around. Brakes are really good. They're not sharp and annoying. The seats are super plush, very, very like proper luxurious experience. The cushioning is superb, very, very comfortable to drive. I really want to do a long drive with this with my family, take them somewhere, because it's such a big car, 7-seater. I'm sure I'll be able to fit Saman and people in it. Then you've got things like the turning radius. I felt like, oh my god, because of the longer wheelbase, this will be difficult to turn, but I've had instances in the city today doing proper U-turns, no issues there whatsoever. These mirrors are nice and wide and large, so you really can see a lot of what's going on at the back of you. Overall, the cabin is very well thought of. Every little aspect is very well thought of. Brilliant handling. Very much enjoyed driving the car. I've also enjoyed being in the backseat of the car. I also feel like the handling can be completely changed up as per your preference by just playing around with the modes. So there's snow, off-road, individual as per your preference. I'm in sport mode, so definitely suspension is stiffer, but I like it that way. I don't care. I mean, I know comfort and all, but you can play around with that on the go. You know, first I was like, ये क्यों selector यहाँ पे? क्योंकि I have to keep looking at क्या हो रहा है, which mode am I? Actually, no, because when the shifter is here, it just makes it a lot like the space is constricted, and they've tried to give you a lot of space here in terms of your 2 wireless chargers, your cup holders, lots of space to put stuff in here, the little blackboard duster, especially when you're reversing and driving out. Now you don't have to look here because it shows up over here. XUV 700, am I faster? Am I? I think I am. Or am I? Listen, please, I love Mahindra cars very, very much. My car journey has started with Mahindra, let's be honest. So there's no Mahindra no or Skoda no. They're all brilliant products, and there's a lot of engineering and a lot of work that goes into making these products. So I'm here to experience and enjoy them and talk about the things I don't like, but also talk about the things that I really love. There's going to be no pushing another brand down or pushing another product down, because that's just not my jam. And no, I'm not getting paid to drive this car today. Just putting it out there very clearly. Not a paid partnership. Always remember, ki nazar hati, durghatna ghati. So therefore, what I think is very, very cool is that Skoda has put a little map here as well. The exact same thing over here. So the driver can concentrate entirely in one direction. Small thing, effective thing. When you're on traffic, there's the things that keep you sane. 1 is air conditioning, 2 is a good sound system to blast some good music, and 3 is food. Now I don't have food with me right now, and Skoda is not supposed to provide you food with the car, but the first two factors are very well taken care of, because this is beautifully temperature controlled. You have one little knob for your passenger, you've got ventilation in the seats. I have the ventilated seats on right now throughout because the temperature is almost like 40 degrees. Very, very hot. The ventilated seats are doing a great job. The temperature, overall temperature of the car, ace. मेरा म्यूजिक अच्छा ही है, बहुत अच्छा है. Canton speakers, doing a good job with that. I do like the Harman Kardamom. Harman. Listen, I'm not racially profiling because I myself am. So it's super luxurious experience, very, very comfortable experience driving in shit traffic of one of the biggest metros in the world. How old are you?
18.
ये 18 का है, तो ये बच्चा भी नहीं है और ये adult भी नहीं है. Let us put him in the, I mean, age-wise he's adult, but look at him, he's all thin and lanky and all. Can you sit in the third row of the new Kodiaq and tell me what you feel? I'm going to sit here and I'm going to ask you what do you feel. So I have had to pull my seat forward. I'm going to pull it back like the normal person would. हाँ, now this is great. आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे भी जगह है, यहाँ पे भी अच्छी जगह है. बता भाई, कैसा लग रहा है पीछे?
Into this, it is fine. My height is
Yeah.
kind of 5'8".
Right.
So sitting like this is for long trips. It would be difficult. Otherwise, it is okay. Mid road is okay, but if someone like 6 is sitting, then it
Gayo.
would be not possible.
Okay. So, would you be comfortable doing city runs and all of this, like going around in the city with your parents, maybe for dinner or something like that? Would you be okay to be sitting in the third row?
Yeah, sitting for like 2 hours is fine, but more than that, it would be then difficult. There are no AC vents, so it's hot and summers are also coming.
Summer is here, bro. 40 degrees आज ही चल रहा है, तो कौन से summer में जा रहा है यार ये? अभी मेरी height है 5.5 और ये third row जो है, it is actually a 3-seater. Leg room is pretty constricted. Headroom is not so bad at all. You've got a lot of pockets for stuff to store as well. I feel like the third row will be ideal for kids. पर अगर आप छोटे वोटे चक्कर के ले जा रहे हो, it is perfectly okay. और फिर अभी उतरने की बात आए, it is a bit hard, especially if you're an adult like me, to get out of it. But the second row is mighty changa. I love it. Lots of space. In fact, if you can see, the passenger has taken his seat right towards the back. Lots of space here. Very, very comfortable seats. Can totally do the whole recline forward, back. Superb stuff. Very good quality. You can put your phone over here in vertical only to kind of watch TV. वरना ये iPad के लिए perfect है. ये sleeves यहाँ पे, इसमें बहुत सारा storage है. Lots of storage on the sides as well. The 2 AC vents, awesome. Full proper हवा आ रही है मेरे को, गर्मी में पिघल रही हूँ यहाँ पे, but it's superb. And just overall, even the quality of the second row is beautiful. One very interesting, can you see me? Look at that, dude. I didn't have to do anything. Like, I love that. Okay, so one very interesting thing about this car is it's a big car, okay? It's a car with a very long wheelbase. The Kodiaq has always been that. But I am driving in Mumbai's traffic right now. It's night time. And I personally own a Zen. It's a small, nice car. And I'm able to go through like that because that's how itchy of a driver I am. And I'm able to really maneuver this through the smallest of spaces without thinking that it's a big car. And that's very interesting to me, I think. Because I wasn't thinking that that was going to be really possible with the Kodiaq. But I'll just try and show you actually. So we've got like a whole there. There's a little space that's opened up. It's not the right thing to do, but I'm just saying there are times in our life where we want to get out of tiny spaces. And this car lets you do that, even with that long aft wheelbase. And please notice how quiet the cabin is. There's traffic all around me. I'm just about to hit the Eastern Freeway, so there's a lot of traffic that's going through over here. And I don't have my mic on because हमारा mic पीछे है. मैंने बोला छोड़ो यार, अभी मतलब जो मुझे feeling आ रही है मुझे उसके बारे में बात करनी है. And that's what I'm doing right now. But no mic, quiet cabin. and you tell me how the quality of this conversation is in comments. I love that. Wow, that's a gorgeous sounding engine. It's not speakers. Just FYI, it's a real. The sound is real. Those exhausts are real. So let's close in on my final thoughts for the Škodiaq. I love the auto park and its sheer efficiency in double and triple parked Mumbai. I'm going to have to sit in the third row for longer to kind of share my true experience. Driving wise, to bhai, I've already spoken about everything, but this is a luxurious AF experience. I felt like I was driving in a queen's throne or something. This is better than way more expensive luxury SUVs, bro. It's a pleasure to drive and be driven in. And at the end of it all, for under 50 lakhs, it's a good deal for the features, mileage, 7-hole seats, and maintenance on top of that. By the way, it's getting best in seg maintenance. You're getting a 5-year or 1,25,000 kilometer warranty, 1 year complimentary maintenance from Škoda, 10 years RSA, all of this included. Plus, it's assembled in India. How cool is that? Anyway, कैसी लगी आपको नई वाली Škodiaq ज़रूर बताना comments में, and share this video with a friend that's looking for a new car because this could defo be it. Like, subscribe, share. I'll see you in the next one.